guys, it's your girl, Sweetie Be Me, the E's are threes. Make sure you go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. Today, you guys, I am excited. You guys, guess what I am starting today? I'm going to start the 100-day envelope challenge. Now, if you're anything like me, it's kind of intimidating to be doing the 100-day envelope challenge, but I want to challenge myself, and we can do it. If we don't have to do it at everybody else's pace, but we're gonna do it at our own pace. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the envelopes in the package that I received. This is the box. And it's kind of big. It doesn't even fit all the way on my table. But, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and grab my keychain, and I'm going to use this right here to open it. It is taped up good, y'all. Maybe if I cut this way first, we can get through there. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's backwards. So let me turn it around so we can take a better look at it. Okay, that's cute. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna look at the items. This is the 100-day envelope challenge, you guys. It's so cute. Hooray. My sticks are out the way. There we go. That's better a little bit. Okay, whatever. Okay, you guys, for the most part, I have everything set up. We have our money bag with the numbers in it. And we have our envelopes with the stickers on them, with the money amounts on them. So we're going to go ahead and shake this up, and we're going to pick the 2 numbers we have. I should probably get the money set up. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the money set up, and then we'll come right back to this. Okay, I checked. It was $491, but then I forgot I had this money on my account for my son to put on his card, and then I have that money added, and then I found $5 in a washer. So we're gonna add all of this up, and all of this will not be used for this video. I have to do my cash stuffing and my sinking fund stuffing after this video. So yeah, let's just go ahead and set this money up. This 20 is ripped. Like, why they give me that at the bank? Who are these people? I should take it back. So, like, girl, why would you give me that? I thought we had a good little conversation, but you gonna give me real bills? I don't know. Well, I can't blame her. That might have been a 20 my son gave me, huh? And this is the $5 that I found in the wash. So that's all of the money. We'll be counting this over at my cash stuffing and sinking funds stuffing video. So not going to count the money. We're just going to go ahead and pick the 2 envelopes that we are stuffing for this challenge. The $100 envelope. So it's 89. I will get a high number, right? And 12. Oh! I'm always, you know, stuff always falling on me. Hold on, y'all. I got to climb way under this thing to get this number. So that's that 89 and 12. What is that? $101, right? So now we got to find these what's this is? Envelope thing, card. And I'm gonna try to get a little box for these cards. I'm gonna have to put that in my budget. Maybe I can ask somebody. 89 and 12. Are those cards right there? Go ahead and move these ones out of the way. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and count $12, 10, 11, 12. Oh my God, I cannot believe that I am doing this. This is cute. I always was so intimidated by this challenge. This one's 20, 40, 60. We're gonna take this one out because I don't want that. I'm gonna put that in my cash stuff. 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. These are nice. 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. I would get though a high number. Like, I guess it's good to get, I got a high and a low, so I guess that's good to get it out of the way, right? So we got that. I'm gonna move this. We're gonna go on to our next savings challenge. So we're gonna go ahead and go over to our clothing challenge. And we're going to put, you guys, I don't even know. I'm just winging it, what amount to put up in this stuff. Let's do 15, and let's do the shoe down here. Oops. Let's put these down. Can we see if it's a shoe? No, kind of not. We're gonna get clothing. It's 15. $5, $10, which is 15. And you guys, I'm gonna get a binder for my saving challenges when I have some money for that also. So 20, 30, 5. And it has 35. Let's do cars. I just shut it. Open it. So car, we did not determine the amount that car is gonna be, so we need to do that. What y'all think? It should be like $20 at least each time, or should we do 10? So let's just do 2 cars today. Or you know what? Since we got a high number in that what is it called? The 100 envelope challenge, we're gonna do 1 car today. Yeah, so let's do 1. So 10. So if we have $10 each car, that should be $360. And let me see what color. Purple. I'll probably do the wheels a different color. It'd be tacky if I put the wheels orange. Let's do green. Green ain't too far from purple green. I don't know what color to do. Okay, let's just do green, because I don't know at this point. But that turned out pretty decent. Okay. So now let's go ahead and count this money. So car is now at 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 113. Now, you guys, let's do our 26-week savings challenge. So, well, actually, yeah, it is March now, so I guess it just came March. What is the day? But I don't like that. Why you up? Sit down. Okay. Yeah, we're going to do the 60. Might as well. I'm not going to have no money to spend this goddamn go around. Jeez. That's 60. And I don't count this one. I just put the money up in there. Okay. Next, we have our travel. And the card is not in there, so let me grab the card. So vacation. Oh, what amount can we, what's the lowest? We can do $10. Actually, let's just do 15 so we can get some color on this side. Let's do 15. Oh, 10. We need a 5. 15. We're gonna color this one. So do I color these little things? So 1, 2, 4. So we can color, just do 1 since that's like right there by it. You do it like that. Okay, vacation. Let's see how much we have in here. And I actually should have put more up in there. I don't know, we'll see. That goddamn 100 envelope challenge took all my money. Like, why you do that? So 20, 40, what? Wait. Not right. Okay, so, and I want to put this back also. That's getting annoying. So 120, 40, 55. So 155 in travel. And lastly, but not least, we have baby. Now, baby doesn't have to get that much, thank goodness. Oh, we didn't even start baby yet, y'all. So we're gonna start it now. Let's see, the lowest amount on here is $4. So I don't really have a $4, so you know what? I really don't want to give you an extra $1. Oh, shoot. Let me see. Oh, you guys, I have a $5 right there in the peak. So we're going to do that. This will be $5. So this is $5. I probably should have used that other orange, but it's okay. so you can get, no, we're not gonna put that. We're gonna save that for our cash stuffing. Okay, $5. Let's see what baby has. Let's move this out the way. So baby now has 10, 15, 20, 21, $22. And we have completed all of our saving challenges. And now we gotta see how much money we have for our, what's it called, cash stuffing and sinking funds left over after we completed our challenges. You guys, I want to go ahead and thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for leaving me a comment down below so we can chat it up. I'm gonna go ahead and lay out all the challenges that we did today so we can just take a look back and let's see how much we actually saved. Okay, you guys, that is all of our saving challenges that we completed. Let's go ahead and see how much we saved. So you guys, our total amount that we saved today is so I want to go ahead and thank you so much for watching this video. And thank you for subscribing again. And I'm going to see you next time. It's been real. Peace.